Welcome back to Silver Wolf Studio. For today's session, we'll be working on the part that I'm most excited about and looking forward to. I'm going to start with just a small round tip brush and some permanent purple, or what I would like to call a medium royal purple, just to start outlining our figure. The purple and the blue in this brand are relatively thin, which I think actually works in my favor. It's making it really easy to create the little tufts of feathers. And speaking of the blue, I'm also going to come back with that and push it right over the top of the purple. It's allowing me to blend the colors rapidly and give a sheen of both. And it's also allowing me to add some texture early. I'm stacking parts and feathers along the head here to kind of give him a little bit of a tuft, if you will. I'm really excited to see where this is going. So don't forget to hit the like button and join me in the next episode, and we'll get this filled in a bit more.